Here's how to create a split screen effect like this using InShot, which has been updated so that you can now add filters and effects from the PIP panel, which makes this effect easier to create. Let's get started. Tap Video and choose a blank video clip. Set your aspect ratio by tapping Canvas and change the background color to something that's easy to see. Next, tap PIP. Tap where it says Recents. Tap Video Clips, and here's the clips. Select one clip. Exit the PIP layer for now and stretch your blank clip to the end of the blue line. Tap PIP again, select your first clip and move it into the corner. Place it right on the edge like this. Go ahead and select Copy. You'll notice that if you tap on Copy, the clips are stacked one on top of the other. If you tap on Duplicate, the clips are placed end to end. Move your second clip over so it appears like this. Tap on Copy one more time. And place the clip right here. Tap on Copy. InShot now allows you to add filters to your video clips right inside the PIP area. Apply one black and white filter to each of your 4 clips, and then tap the check mark. Tap on Filter, tap on the check mark. Make sure the clips end at the same time. If you don't want the clips to disappear off screen, you can place a transition at the end of the video. Tap the transition button and go ahead and select each of your clips to zoom in on the subject. Tap on PIP one more time and go ahead and add the original clip on top. Make sure that you can clearly see each of the birds in your background clips with the clip unselected. All of the clips end at the same time. To create your own transition, go to the beginning of your clip, tap the share button, tap save, tap create new, add your clips. Now you can tap on the transition button, find a transition that you want to use. That's going to set an opening transition. Scrub to the end of the clip and then tap transition one more time. Since there's only one clip, make sure that you tap on out and find the matching transition for the end. Leave the duration set the same